Hello, this is Andrew from Boatshed, Gibraltar. We're now inside the Elan 45 built in 2001. So you've just seen the saloon, and here you can see the galley on the starboard side of the boat. So it's nice and bright. Walking through to the bow, you've got the forward cabin with the heads on the port side. Looking aft, head linings all look in very good condition. So you can see you've got two cabins at the back, both on starboard and port side. Nav station. And there you have the second heads. So if you like what you see, please don't hesitate to contact us should you wish to arrange a viewing. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.